Hi and welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, hi, this is Kajal, and those who've already been with me, kasha hai tumhe maja maane. I'm sure a lot of you people have seen a lot of my workout videos, but you guys do not know how important and how much difficult it is to maintain a particular body. And today's video is all about how I maintain my body. So let's not waste any time and just get started. So here's the journey from Sarah being 6-month-old baby to Sarah being almost a teenager. Well, the journey has been quite a long one, but it's totally worth it. To begin from the start, I've always been a very lean body. And I remember during pregnancy, during Sarah, I was weighing 55 kgs. That was my normal weight, and I was like, I'm 5'7", so I was always underweight. But during my pregnancy, I remember I put on around like 22 kgs. So like around 55 to I went to around 77, 78 somewhere. And I remember once I had been for a check, like when I was 2.5 months pregnant. So मेरी जो dietitian थी वहाँ पे, she said, oh, you don't look like pregnant, you know, you don't have a tummy kind of a thing. So I guess you're not putting enough proper weight, or baby is not getting proper nutrition. She put me on a diet where मैं हर महीने approximately 2 से 2.5 kilo I would put on, and I was so happy. Oh, okay, I'm putting on weight. My baby is going to be very healthy. But trust me, it's a myth. And when Sarah was born, Sarah was just like 3 kgs. So all the weight, around like 75 kgs or 73 kgs, was all my weight. वो तो मतलब सारा ने hardly कुछ weight लिया होगा. And I put on like so much weight. The hospital for a checkup, and I told doctor that I want to get rid of this weight, this belly weight, and I was like a fat woman. Like there's nothing wrong in being fat, but for somebody who's always been like 55, 52, 53. To put on so much, and when you have a postpartum and you put on so much weight, it tends to affect your mental health also. So I told the doctor that I want to go into, I want to do a live one. He just had a hearty laugh and he said, no, it's just a postpartum weight. It will, slowly and gradually it will go off. So that's it. उसके 15 दिन बाद से मैंने जो मेरा वर्कआउट शुरू किया है, and within 15 days, 15 days बाद I started my workout, and within a year of Sarah's, like first birthday, I was back to my original weight, which made me like super happy. I could wear my pre-pregnancy jeans for her birthday, so that made me really very happy. बट मेरा ये सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये कहना है कि आपको वेट लूज़ करना एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क लगता है कि अच्छा हम एक पर्टिकुलर मोमेंटम के बाद यू लूज़ वेट, बट to maintain a particular weight is even more difficult, and that's what happened. Like I remember when while working after Sarah, I used to get up in the morning around like 4:35 and go for my early morning walks, because Sarah उठ जाती थी. To feed her, I should be back before like 6, because that was her time to wake up. तो it was very difficult journey, and weight loss is not an easy journey. बहुत ज़्यादा आपको efforts लगाने पड़ते हैं, and उससे ज़्यादा और उतने ही equal efforts लगते हैं आपको maintain करने में. And post pregnancy, I wanted to lose all my baby weight and everything, and I did that. Also, it's been so many years that I have been maintaining a proper weight, and it is not very important कि आप एक particular body type, 0 figure और ये सारी चीज़ें आप follow करो. आपका एक हेल्दी बॉडी होना चाहिए और हेल्दी माइंड होना चाहिए. उसके लिए आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. एंड आई हैव बीन वर्किंग थ्रू आउट ऑल दीज ईयर्स ऑन माई बॉडी. एंड ऑफकोर्स जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी बोलते हो कि बिकॉज योर प्रोफेशन डिमांड्स यू हैव टू लुक अ सर्टन वे, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न यू वर्क आउट सो मच. ऑल्सो आई एक्सेप्ट, वो भी एक रीज़न है, but it is not the whole reason. And I guess now people are becoming so much health conscious कि आपको अपने लिए, अपने body के लिए to look a certain way, of course, but more than certain ways, you have to be healthy for yourself, and it really helps you a lot. आप अच्छा काम कर सकते हो, आप ज़्यादा फोकस कर सकते हो अपने काम पर. एक healthy body, a healthy mind is no harm for anybody, and if you are not healthy, सबसे ज़्यादा आप ही को तकलीफ़ होती है. So it's nothing major. I have a very simple day and a simple lifestyle which I follow. I sleep early and I wake up early because Sara की स्कूल की वजह से भी I used to wake up early. So now that has gradually turned into a habit. तो अभी तो फ़िलहाल लॉकडाउन है. Otherwise also by 6:37 I am always up. And trust me, मुझे रात को 10 बजे के बाद nobody from my family or friends, nobody dares to call me because they know कि यार ये तो सो गई होंगी, ये उठाएगी भी नहीं. In fact, not one wish on my birthday also because they know that I really don't keep myself awake. Neither am a very binge watcher कि सीरीज़ के बाद सीरीज़ देखती रहूँ and you know अपने आप को बस लेट नाइट तक जगा के रखूँ, नॉट गेट प्रॉपर स्लीप, विच इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ गुड हेल्थ, अ गुड बॉडी, अ गुड स्किन. So this is my weight loss drink, which is overnight soaked chia seeds with cinnamon powder and honey. I have this every morning, and in fact this is the first thing which I have it every morning. It's not that we are into ready to cook or something like that. We always like to have a proper breakfast which is freshly cooked. तभी के तभी बनता है, पोहा है, उपमा है, थेपला for that matter, या फिर आलू पराठा. Of course I do have आलू पराठा for breakfast and all these things. And of course my lunch is also very simple. I will have दाल, रोटी, सब्जी, जो एक staple हम Indians का diet होता है. एंड इवनिंग इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट. चाय का कप एक पी लिया या फिर दो कोई न्यूट्रिशियस बिस्किट, समथिंग ओट्स बिस्किट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड डिनर इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी लेस. इन फैक्ट इट इज़ लाइक जस्ट अ स्टार्टर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, सूप और जस्ट अ सैलेड, और कभी कभार सिर्फ दलिया खिचड़ी खा ली या फिर यू हैव सूप एंड एग वाइट्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो माई होल पॉइंट ऑफ मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इज़ that if you lose a certain weight, just don't leave it there कि अरे बस मेरा ये टारगेट था, अब मैंने ये अचीव कर लिया है, and that's there. It's not about that. You have to keep yourself maintaining that. वो होता है ना कि आप एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर पहुंच तो गए हो बट आपको उसको सस्टेन करना पड़ता है. Otherwise you just let yourself lose and you'll again go back to that square one, and again you'll have to start with the same journey. And ये किसी और को बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, ये आप ही को बेनिफिट होगा अगर आप अच्छा खाएंगे, अच्छा सोएंगे, अच्छा वर्कआउट करेंगे. इससे किसी और को ऑफकोर्स ये होगा कि आपके घर वालों को थोड़ी कम तकलीफ़ होगी, हॉस्पिटल के चक्कर थोड़े कम लगाने पड़ेंगे, आपको थोड़ी दवाइयाँ कम खानी पड़ेगी. बट दैट इज़ द होल आइडिया अबाउट हैविंग अ गुड एंड अ हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल. And what I do for my workout is also I would want to share with you. Alright, so that was my 30 minutes of walk, and मैं ये almost every day करती हूँ except one day. All of us have a body type, like especially females. It's a pear type, it's a glass hour, it's a glass type or something like that. Everybody body type is very different. I have a very pear shaped body, which is a very my lower is compared to my upper little more heavier, so I have to work a little more on my lower. तो मैं हफ्ते में 3 दिन I make sure that I work on my lower body because that's my major area to work on it. Figure out your body type and make sure आप उस हिसाब से वर्कआउट करें. and giving excuses, आप किसी और को excuse नहीं दे रहे हो और आप अपने आप को ही एक्सक्यूज़ दे रहे हो. इसमें किसी और का नुकसान नहीं है, सबसे ज़्यादा आप ही का नुकसान है. एंड Make sure that you provide your body good food, good health, so that your body is going to carry you for another 80 years. Hopefully, I really hope सब लोग 80 साल 90 साल तक तो जिए, because that is life all about. So your body, you have to live in this body, so why not take care of your body? And in case if you like my video, please do not forget to hit a like and share my videos with your loved ones, and please encourage them to look after themselves, and please encourage them to work out, maintain a healthy body, a healthy mind, which is also very important. Until my next video, much love and God bless, and bye bye.